Involved was designed to support 25 individuals with the form of additional need to get into that volunteering position, to give them a purpose. Each volunteer is put into a placement. They're then supported by either an elite staff member or a volunteer peer mentor, and to just basically get comfortable within that new environment. Those first few days, they're quite nerve-wracking because the environment is so unfamiliar, but having that familiar face there can be quite a comfort.
I think for the individuals, it really gives them a sense of purpose, that they're actually out there doing something and giving back. Gives them lots of confidence. The social side of it, just being out and about and meeting new people, and give them a sense of independence as well. It's something of their own that they can take forward and just keep building on and gets them out of the house.
Before I came here, I was working with special families, me doing all sorts of stuff. I was originally a client and then started volunteering to give back what they give me.
The volunteers that come to our sessions, not only do they get a nice routine and the chance to socialise once a week, they get to make a real difference, learning new skills, learning how to use tools, lots of teamwork. Sometimes there's a lot of heavy lifting or trying to figure out how to do something. Everything we do is pretty much with a smile on our face, and we always stop for a cup of tea and a biscuit as well.
I enjoy coming here in my own way, relaxing, because it's not inside my house sitting down doing nothing. It's me getting out, helping people, looking after animals. It's my calmness for me. I'm happy with it.
But basically helping to become independent. I hope he feels more confident and enjoy himself, really.
I don't have the ability to work due to some medical issues. It's just a great opportunity for people like me. Whereas we're stuck in a crossroad where if we work, we get ill, and if we don't work, we get shunned. So it's a nice in-between for me. So right now I'm just enjoying the chance to do more.
He's definitely come out of his shell more since he's been coming to steer.
The ultimate goal is for them to feel confident, independent and a sense of purpose.
So far at this point in the project, we've got 15 volunteers into placements. We're now working with 15 separate host organisations. Each of those employers have now received disability awareness training. We can support them to get to level 1, and we can also give them the tools to get to level 2 and level 3.
I think having Lisa come along to steer with Tom on a Friday as his peer mentor support has been super helpful. It gives you that familiar, friendly face, and I think it's boosted Tom's confidence massively having Lisa here.
Lots of individuals don't have the tools to get into volunteering, so they need support of organisations such as ourselves. The current presence of this project really highlights that other communities need projects like this.